YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Spice Glory, and I'm back up in here for another music video review. This time I will be reviewing Baby Yungin Robin. I don't know too much about him. I believe he's from Dallas. That's pretty much all I know about him. He's from Dallas. I think I seen like a clip of him like doing this thing on Say Cheese, and I think that's about all I know. So I don't know what to expect. Let's do this. Oh man, they about to hit a lick. They look like they about to hit a lick. Honestly, bro, I gotta commend, like, it's like been like I think this is like something that Say Cheese brought up. It's like it's a lot more like Hispanic rappers coming out now than there was like back then. You know, like in the past decade, the amount of Hispanic rappers that are out now, it's a lot of them. Like, it's a lot. And that's a good thing. It's really actually a great thing, you know. As far as this Baby Yungin dude, a lot of rappers like sing and you kind of like feel whether they're like singing or not, you know, like actually singing or just doing like auto tune or whatever. It's a lot of new age rappers that like sing. Rappers will sing their heart out, bruh. Like, I actually like this because it sounds like it's his actual voice, and it don't sound like it's like no auto tune or nothing like that. A little reverb and just his voice. You know, I actually like it. I got, you know, I'm not just being biased just because he's from Texas. You know, he genuinely sounds like he's good at singing, or at least holding a tune. So, you know, some rappers, they don't hold a tune at all, and they just rely on auto tune to like save their life when they're trying to like squeal on the microphone. So yeah, I mess with this. Hot up on my grind and I'm styling, I've been on my grind each and every day. I've had stories in my body, I got bang gang. Ever since I put it left, it ain't been the same. Got some niggas in the case, some others in the grave. I won't fall, no, fuck them, hell no. 42 up on my body, still like Velcro. Seems everything I do got me here though. Stuck up in my thoughts, stop calling on myself. I've been in my mindset, heavy in my body. Boogie in his mouth, no one thought they shot him. Lick up bigger sick, bitch, I'm in my body. No one picked the thoughts, so them niggas do not call me. Alright, that's the end of the video. How old is Baby Yungin? Like, what is he? 17, 18? He looked like he's 19, 18 or 19. I actually liked this video. I more like the song than I like the video, you know. The video is just kind of like some average rapper shit or whatever, so I'm gonna put the video down in the description so you can go watch it yourself. What do you think? What should I review next? Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, subscribe to my YouTube, and hey, pay your bills. Pay your bills. I'm out.